Wood has long been a favored medium for artists and craftsmen alike, celebrated for its versatility, warmth, and natural beauty. From intricate carvings to stunning sculptures, the world of wooden art is vast and varied. In this blog post, we'll explore the enchanting realm of amazing wooden art, delving into its history, techniques, and the incredible artists who bring these creations to life. A brief history of wooden art. Woodworking as an art form dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations used wood not just for practical purposes but also for artistic expression. From the beautifully carved wooden totems of indigenous cultures to the ornate wooden furniture of the Renaissance. Wood has been a canvas for creativity. In many cultures, wooden art has spiritual significance. For example, African masks carved from wood are often used in rituals and ceremonies, representing ancestors or deities. In Japan, intricate wooden sculptures reflect the deep connection between nature and spirituality. The versatility of wood. One of the most appealing aspects of wood as an art medium is its versatility. Different types of wood offer unique textures, colors, and grain patterns, influencing the final artwork. Here are some popular types of wood used in art. Oak, known for its durability and beautiful grain. Oak is often used in furniture and larger sculptures. Pine, a softer wood. Pine is easy to work with and takes paint and stain well, making it popular for decorative pieces. Mahogany, this rich, dark wood is prized for its beauty and is often used in fine furniture and detailed carvings. Bamboo, known for its sustainability. Bamboo is used in everything from decorative art to functional items like utensils. Techniques in wooden art. Carving. Carving is one of the most traditional forms of wooden art. Artists use chisels and knives to create intricate designs, ranging from simple shapes to detailed figures. There are various carving techniques, including Relief carving: the design is carved into the surface, creating a three-dimensional effect while remaining attached to the background. In the round carving, this technique involves sculpting a piece that is fully three-dimensional and can be viewed from all angles. Woodturning: woodturning is a technique where a piece of wood is rotated on a lathe, allowing artists to shape it into bowls, vases, and other rounded objects. This method is particularly effective for creating smooth, symmetrical forms. Wood burning: pyrography, or wood burning, involves using a heated tool to create designs on wood. This technique allows for intricate details and textures, making it a popular choice for decorative art and personalized gifts. Marquetry and inlay: marquetry involves assembling small pieces of wood veneer to create a larger design, often depicting scenes or patterns. Inlay is similar but involves setting pieces of different materials, such as wood, metal, or stone, into the surface of a wooden object for added detail and contrast. Amazing wooden art examples: sculptures. Wooden sculptures can range from abstract forms to realistic animal representations. Artists like Richard W. Smith create stunning pieces that capture the essence of their subjects. His animal sculptures are known for their lifelike detail and expressive poses. Functional art: many artists blur the lines between art and function. Beautifully crafted wooden furniture can serve as both a practical item and a work of art. Thomas Moser, for example, creates handcrafted furniture that showcases the beauty of wood while emphasizing craftsmanship. Wall art: wood wall art has become increasingly popular. Artists use reclaimed wood to create stunning pieces that can serve as focal points in a room. Ethan Abramson transforms wood into intricate wall hangings that celebrate nature and geometric patterns. Toys and games: wooden toys have a timeless charm. Artisans like Toby Faber create handcrafted wooden toys that are not only beautiful but also safe and durable for children. These pieces often have a nostalgic quality, reminding us of simpler times. The future of wooden art: as we move forward, the world of wooden art continues to evolve. Artists are increasingly focused on sustainability, using reclaimed wood and environmentally friendly practices in their work. This shift not only preserves our natural resources but also adds a unique story to each piece. Additionally, technology is making its mark on traditional woodworking. CNC machines and laser cutting tools allow artists to create intricate designs with precision, expanding the possibilities of what can be achieved with wood. Maya Lin: known for her environmental artwork, Maya Lin incorporates natural materials, including wood, into her installations. Her work often reflects her connection to nature and emphasizes the importance of ecological awareness. David Smith: a contemporary artist, David Smith uses reclaimed wood to create large-scale sculptures. His pieces often blend elements of abstraction with recognizable forms, showcasing the beauty of imperfections in the wood. M.C. Escher: while not exclusively a wooden artist, Escher's intricate designs have inspired many woodworkers. His mathematical patterns and tessellations have been translated into stunning wooden pieces, demonstrating how art and math can intersect. Techniques in greater detail: carving techniques. Chip carving: this decorative technique involves chiseling out small chips of wood to create geometric patterns. It's often used in making decorative boxes and furniture. Whittling: a more casual form of carving, whittling involves shaping wood with a knife, often resulting in small figures or functional items. Joinery: joinery refers to the methods used to connect pieces of wood. Techniques like dovetail joints and mortise and tenon joints are essential for creating durable and aesthetically pleasing wooden furniture. Finishing techniques: finishing is crucial in enhancing the beauty of wooden art. Techniques include staining: applying stain to enhance the wood grain and add color. Oiling: using oils to nourish the wood, bringing out its natural luster. Varnishing: applying a protective layer that can also add shine. Woodworking clubs and classes. Joining a woodworking club or taking classes can provide valuable skills and camaraderie. Many communities offer workshops where beginners can learn from experienced woodworkers, fostering a supportive environment. Online communities and forums, platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and woodworking forums allow artists to share their work, exchange ideas, and seek advice. This connectivity can inspire creativity and collaboration. Local art shows and exhibitions. Participating in or visiting local art shows and craft fairs can introduce you to talented artists and unique wooden art pieces. It's a great way to support local artisans and find inspiration. Sustainability in wooden art. Reclaimed wood. Using reclaimed wood not only reduces waste but also adds character and history to art pieces. Many artists seek out old barn wood, furniture, and pallets to repurpose into stunning new works. Sustainable sourcing. More artists are mindful of where their materials come from. Sourcing wood from sustainably managed forests ensures that their art doesn't contribute to deforestation and environmental degradation. Eco-friendly finishes. Many artisans are opting for natural finishes, such as beeswax or plant-based oils, to minimize their environmental impact and create safer products. Getting involved in wooden art. If you're inspired to delve into wooden art, here are some steps to get started. Gather basic tools. You don't need a fully equipped workshop to start. Basic tools like a saw, chisels, sandpaper, and a few good quality paints or stains are sufficient for beginners. Start small. Begin with simple projects, such as a small carving or a decorative wooden box. This will help you build confidence and skills without feeling overwhelmed.